This conference will now be recorded.
So good morning all of you. Last session we started discussing about a layout, right? Let us quickly finish the layout, services, features and footer today. Okay, right. So can we run this file? Yeah, let us run this file as well. Yeah, this is what we see in the last session. Okay. Now I want to implement the future section. Okay, let us comment, minimize this header completed. Yesterday all we did banner section. Now it is going to be services section. This services should contain 6 blocks, 6 or 8 as per the design. Oh, 8 blocks. 8 blocks. We need some logo images. We need some logo images. Okay, come to this. So I want to have one heading here. Our services. Okay. This is a page section heading. Our services. Here in the our services, I want to have how many blocks? Service blocks. Service hyphen block. Better to write like this. Always naming convention is going to be good. Block. Like this, how many blocks should be there? 6. Every block should contain like this. Let me refresh and let me check this. Oh, this is coming like this, okay? Because it has a position. Okay. We will do some CSS work, okay? Don't worry. Here, I need an image only. Sample logos or sample icons also we can sample icons images. Let me download some sample images from Drive. I have some icon logos. Let us download them. Wait for a second. Have some CSS. Have images. Yeah, let us download these all images. Let me reuse these images. It is a zipping. Yeah. Wait for a few seconds. Let's download it. Copying all images into your project because we have very less images. Institute images. Replace, no problem. Yeah, I have got lot of images. Yeah, our image gone, replace అయిపోయింది, right? So it was replaced. Now if we can run this, oh, it is coming as Connect-Z. Okay, no problem. Okay. Uh, okay. Otherwise, what is 02? Here is 02. You use anyone guys here, no problem. Okay, but I want to make it that things are going to be very clear. You check the image. Better to use 03. using as the logo. Okay, enough. Don't worry about the things. Color combination always depends upon the logo, because logo gone, no worries about it. Some image, and don't worry initially. Don't worry about the color combination. Understand the skeleton. Designing the skeleton is very important. After getting structured everything, then we can add the color combination. It doesn't take much time. It doesn't take much time. Just changing background color and color only, na. So always is a good practice. Okay, right. So where it is next one? Yep. Yeah. Let us minimize this header section. Minimized. Banner minimized. So this is some title. H4 or H3. I want a para tag open here. Lower M 10. Okay. Done. Can you go and check this now? Yeah. Like this, how many blocks are required? 15 words I'm taking. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple. Na? That's what. If we can able to work with one block, remaining all are becomes very easy, man. So now save the file. If we can go and check this now, you see all 8 blocks are coming like this now. Let us change the images also. I think I have 12.png, 10.png. I have 09.png. Is it 09.png? Yes. So 08.png. I have all these images in the downloaded folder. I made a folder like 01, 02, 03 like this. 07 is not there, I believe. 06, or you check this 06. Different logos are coming now. So 06. This is going to be 03, 04, 03, 03, and this is going to be 01. I have all these images like this. Can you check the images? In place of this 03, take 02. Already logo we are using now. You see different images are there like this. Okay now. All these three, sorry, everything is coming one by one. What is our agenda in the skeleton? Per row 4. So obviously now all of you minimize like this for better clarity, better preview, better understanding. So if you can write like this, things will becomes very easy to you for better understanding. Can you see? Right. There are 8 service blocks are there. All these 8 service blocks father is what? Services. ఇలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తే థింగ్స్ బికమ్స్ వెరీ ఈజీ. అది చూడగానే ఎక్కడ రాయాలి ఫ్లెక్స్, దేనికి రాయాలి ఫ్లెక్స్ అని చాలా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ పడతారు అందరూ. You will feel little confusional. Why? Because many of the people don't know where to write the flex. They will write flex for child first. It is not working. After that, you will write flex to parent. Then it is working. Remember, this is a way. You need these 6 blocks side by side. Who is the father? Services. Go to the services. Now open the CSS file. Yep. Now yesterday this is the banner. Oh, now you have to write something. Yep. Services styles. You are a very good developer. That's why you are writing comments. Right. So display flex. Write the flex. Watch the output. Okay now? Always write flex wrap also. Flex wrap. Wrap this into the container only. Now they are coming 2 by 2. But every service block should contain some width dot serv service hyphen block. What is the service block width and the flex width? 25. Why? Because 4 per row. How? 4 per row. All coming like this. ఏది అది మన అండర్స్టాండింగ్ కోసం అక్కడ అదే తీసుకొని రూల్ లేదు. నీకు నచ్చింది తీసుకోవచ్చు అక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ సర్వీసెస్ ఎందుకు పెట్టారు సార్ అని డౌట్ వచ్చిందా? యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఏబిసిడి. Comments మన understanding కోసం. Yes, why we are writing అంటే ఇప్పుడు for example tomorrow I want to see services CSS. If you are not writing comments, where I will look for it? I have to go through the top bottom. Because of the comments I can easily understand, oh, banner style starting from here, maybe after banner style is completed, what are the styles started. So this is for our understanding purpose, we are writing the comments. Okay na? Right. So now hash services margin top 100 pixels I am writing. Why? Because yep, of course you write 120 or 140 also, we can write it, which is fine. For this h1, let us add a class section title, because it's a section title only, not service title. Section title, section title, text align center. Is it centered? Fine. Font size 46px. Is it okay? Still you want to increase the size? Increase the size. Margin bottom 40px. Is it okay? Okay, no worries about it. I had a thing like this. Is it looks good finally? Not good. There is no finishing. What is our tasks? Bringing side by side, completed. But there should be neat and very good finishing is required. Is that not right? Not by wearing shirt and pant. You should have proper tie, shoes, sunglasses, belt, tuck, tie. Everything should be there. Then only it looks good. That is what called decoration. Okay na? So now it wears shirt and pant. We need to decorate these blocks. Okay, let's go there. Section title, done. Oh, first of all, let us see why these blocks are not looks good. Service block, let us have some border. Later we will remove the border. For our clarity, I'm adding border 1 pixel, solid. Right. If you are not adding any color, what is the color by default? Black color. Okay, all right. They're all aligned and properly. Okay. Here services width 85 percentage, margin 0 auto. Okay, they are properly centered. Anything? Padding is required. Okay, let us do one thing. Service block text line center. Okay, somewhat better. As you said, let me provide some padding also. Inside the box, padding 10 pixels inside the box. Good. Of course, 20 pixels you want, you can take 20 pixels also. Where income margin is going to, you can take margin also. Margin 20px I'm taking. Then obviously per row how many? They will become 3. Why? Because this is also looks good. Then width reduce. Still you want 4. Reduce the width. So what is the width you provided? 25. 25. I am writing this is going to be 23. Is it fine? No. 22. Is it fine? Let's go and check this now. Yeah, this is fine. Is it okay for you? Yeah, you can continue the same thing. Now I don't want this border. Now removing the border. Border removed. Now they will be like this. They will be like this. And for this, let us write some line height is equal to, I'm writing 28px. Okay, line height is also added. You want to add border? You decide. Shadow, you want, you can take the shadow also, no problem. What you want, you can take it, right? But response also we have to check it now. F12. There are adjusting 3. You see, they are adjusting 3 by 3. Hey, very nice. They are adjusting 2 by 2, adjusting 1 by 1. Am I written any media query? Am I written any media query? No, I did not write a single media query. But how this is adjusting automatically? I didn't write single line media query, na? Without writing media query, how in mobile device it is coming 1 by 1, in normal device it is coming 2 by 2. In this device it is very nice. They are adjusting at the bottom 2 and the top adjusting, and this is also adjusting properly. And if we can close this, then what is happening? Wow, they are adjusting. Very nice. Am I written any media query here? No. How this is working? Tell me, please. Parent is flex. Children's contain flex width. If the children contain flex width, parent contain flex, they will be automatically in the response. We don't want a single line media query for this. We don't want to write single line for everything. We define some widths here. Okay, it's not a problem. I think we didn't define any width for it. Equal distribution. We didn't write any width. Of course, here also we didn't write any width for them. We didn't width just to display flex or not, they are becoming side by side. Just for content space between left side, right side. So here we didn't write anything. Maybe here also we didn't write any bit there. But here, who is the father? Services. Services display flex, and every child contain flexible width 20%, 22%. You set it now. That's why this will be automatic and responsive. We don't want to write media query also. I don't want to write any media query for this one because it is getting adjusted properly and automatically. Right, it is completed. Next one is going to be what? Features. Left side one image, right side 6 blocks. Okay now, let's go. దీనికి ఏమైనా డిజైన్ చేయాలా? Anything you want to design? Of course, I'm not designing anything. Okay, let's go to the another section. This is completed, and now it is going to be time to work on feature section. Real time lo kuda you have to work like this. First one section completed, make responsive, completed, come to the second section. Many of the people, what they will do, they will write all the template. First they will complete the template. After that they will start writing media queries. They will get lot of problems. They will get lot of problems at that time. If I adjusting this, which is causing the problem, identifying is very difficult. But if you are doing here section by section media queries also writing, any problem you can easily understand. Yesterday's section working properly, today it is not working properly. What is the meaning of it? And what is the code you written today? There is a problem in the code. But by writing all the code, if you are writing media queries, you will face a lot of problems. Don't do like this always. Write one section, complete the media query. Write second section, complete the media queries. And everything is responsive or not. Now you see, first we worked on the menu, responsive. After that, sections, responsive. After that, services, by default they are all in responsive. We are not doing anything. Okay, right. So chalo, let's come here now. Services section, features. Now it is going to be feature section. So okay, right. H1, features are future. What is the spelling? Features and our features. FU to you na, FEA to you na. FEA na. Okay, what about our future then? Right? Okay, here two main blocks. Finish the diagram. Block 1, sorry. This is a container. This is the container already. In the container you have two children, children 1 and children 2. Okay now, right, two children are there. That means what? Inside the div class is equal to features block, features block. Okay, features block. Inside this block, we have image, imgsrc, images folder. Yeah, I have an image called image1 jpg. I have some image. So here, Chapandi please. Now, inside this, we have 6 blocks again. Block 1, block 2, block 3, like this. How many blocks are there? 6 blocks. Hmm. How a features info should be? How it should look like? అంటే ఎలా పెడదాం ఇందులో కంటెంట్ అంటే ఇది ఒక ఫ్యూచర్ బ్లాక్ అనుకుంటే అలా see this carefully. This is a future block. In the future block, what you want to make? Content. How can we keep the content? With differently. Let's have icon here. One icon related title, icon related description. Okay na? Shall we go like this? In every future info, I want to do like this. And one more thing, remember carefully, this is future info. Inside future info, you have, this is what, an icon, and this is going to be some info. And these two should be side by side. Okay, then in the future info, take a div class is equal to icon, f icon, take something called future icon. This is going to be future f info. Here we have to get icon. Here you have to get the title description. Let us make this is going to be h4, some future title p theorem 10. So we need icons. How do I get the icons? Yesterday we seen font over some icon, right? Can I get this? Are you getting the icons? Yeah, you're getting a. Will you able to see the icon? You see the icon very small, but we have to make it very big. Okay. కనిపిస్తుందా లేదా ఐకాన్? చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంది, ఆ కార్నర్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, కొంచెం జూమ్ చేశాను. మేబీ యూ సీ ద ఐకాన్. Icon, this title description should be side by side. And besides this image, everything should become. That's what we have to work on it. Right. Wait for some time. We will do. First, let us complete this, guys. Okay. Right, like this. How many blocks are there? Right. Feature blocks. Feature block. Feature block. In this features info, like this. How many features infos? 6 features info, and per row, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Okay, 6. Envelope. ఈ ఐకాన్స్ మారుస్తున్నానండి. cogs, cogs, cogs. తెలుసా cogs అంటే? Do you know cogs? If I refresh, you see there is something called icons are coming. Cogs means these are the cogs. Able to see cogs? Gears abba, gear symbols. That is called cogs. Envelope అంటే mail, users, ఇంకా mobile. Yeah, mobile icon is also there. Web ఉంటుంది icon. FA web. Oh, there is no web icon. You don't know font awesome. Go here and find some icons categories. You have a lot of icons are there na. Brand, Amazon, Apple. Copy this. Android I'm copying. Yep. So let's see, all icons are changed. Oh, this icon didn't change it. Let us get some other icon. So some icons and related ga తీసుకోవాలి. We cannot take like this. Always will go in a related way. Icon should be always related. Based on the title they given, we have to choose the icon. Okay, now right. This is fine. Features are ready. Now image and these features should be side by side. Come here now. There are two feature blocks. First of all, these two should be side by side. Who is the father? Dot features. X side by side. Able to see? So after that, these are also should be side by side. Per row, how many? Per row 2. Per row 2. Very good. Per row 2. Who is the father of those? Features block. Ah, okay. Inside features block, features info. Yes, sir. Yeah, these are all the features info, feature block, features block. Row how many? 2. So that what is the class for the every block? Features info, na? What is the features info flex width? Flex width. Very good. 50 percentage. Is right? No. Then flex wrap really wrap. Then it will be okay, na? Now this icon title also should be side by side. Icon title should be side. Who is the father of icon and title? Go to the CSS. Icon title father. This is the icon. This is the info. And who is the father? Dot features info. Already we written. So here we will write again display flex. Side by side. Align items center. Logo, that icon and everything should be side by side. Icon looks very small and what I will do, f icon dot f icon icon I font size 30 pixels. What is the icon size? 30 pixels. Is it okay, or still we will increase 40 px? No problem. Yeah, icon will be like this. Margin right 10 pixels. Why I am writing 10 pixels? Because earlier this text were attached to this one. That's why I written something like this. For this I am adding border 2 pixel solid red border. Border radius 120 pixel. What it will become? It's trying to become a circle. But for this icon height 40 width 40, height 40 width 40. Okay, I'm taking like this, and I want to see the circular exactly. in the circle ga లేదు, you have to increase this, maybe 60 by 60. This is 60 by 60. Okay, now icons are centered to the circle. Now how do I make the center to the circle? చెప్పండి, anybody? Sorry, చెప్పండి. ఎక్కడ? డిస్ప్లే, ఫ్లెక్స్, justify content, center, align items, center. Now it's exactly circle to this na. అంటే ఇక్కడ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ వన్ క్లారిటీ. ఇది ఎక్కడ రాయాలి, ఎవరికి రాయాలి, నువ్వు ఎవరిని ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా సెంటర్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నావు వాళ్ళకే రాయాలి. టు whom you want to make exact center, write the CSS for them. If you are writing here align item center, it cannot work here. So in a box you want to make exactly center to the content ante to that box display flex. And if you have multiple item you cannot write. If you have only one item, for that item you can write like this. So here in the f icon, how many I tags are there? Only one tag. In this point we can write it display flex. So justify content center means exactly this is aligned to centered like this. Can you see? This is what centered. Dot f info line height also, line height, not its style, line height is going to be, I'm writing 28px. Yeah, fine. Actually this border not required. Box shadow 0 pixel, 10 pixel. It's fine. Which one, if it is fine you can decide, no problem about it. Okay, it's not a big deal. So inside features block, let me provide some padding, 20 pixels padding, otherwise they're all look like attached together. Okay now, right. Features, full width to pixel width. లేదు మీరు ఫిక్స్డ్ విడ్త్ చేస్తారంటే విడ్త్ 85%, margin 0, auto will be like this. Is it okay? This is also looks good. You move this center. Do you have any class for it? I'm taking title. Better to have like this only. Text align center, font size 40. Fine. Some gap should be there, top bottom. For this I'm writing padding 30 pixels, 0 pixel. What is 30 pixel? Top bottom 30 pixels. Okay, is it fine? Yeah, I'm okay with this. So for this image also, do you have any class for this image? I don't have any class. Let me have a class is equal to FIMAG, F image. F image, box shadow 10 pixel, border radius 12 pixel. is how the image will be. And feature section completed. I added this color. If you like the color, you can add it. Otherwise, what is the color I have? Background color, na? Linear, li linear gradient. Background image, sorry. Background image, linear gradient. So, what are the colors we can provide? Hash. And about some light colors కావాలి నాకు. చూద్దాం. Okay, how you want, you can take it. I added the linear gradient like this. I don't like this, sir. Ante, what is your logo color combination? Use that logo color combination. So other one is going to be, otherwise you take this is a white color also, no problem. It will be like this. How you want, you can take it. This is going to be something called direction also there, na? Two left, sorry. What is the value, guys, here? Direction. For the linear gradient, we have something called direction. Yes, sir. Two left, two right, two bottom. Okay, no worries. You check this. Okay, na? This is enough. Actually, I'm looking diagonal. How do I get the diagonal? I forgot the property. Linear gradient diagonally. How do I provide the diagonally? Two bottom right. Oh, sorry. Let's use the value two bottom right. The first parameter should be two bottom right. Okay. Let us use the word. Will it work? I think it is not working. 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 Two bottom right. Two bottom right means two bottom. Two top. Two left. Diagonal ga undandi the value. I forget that value. I'm not remembering. Two right. Okay, no worries about it. Leave this. Okay, right. Otherwise, just leave this. It will adjust it automatically. Okay, na? If you don't want, you can just leave this. Okay, this is fine for me. This is my features. Right. What is the next one? And finally, I need footer. Right. Let us implement the footer quickly. I'm not making mess with the footer. Oh, we forget about the middle. Is it responsive or not? Check it. F12. At this point, is it looks good? Okay. Hey, this is not looks good, Gada. What it is? Because of the image, scroll bar got also enabled. This is our challenge now. Okay, now what shall we do now? You have two feature blocks, Kada. Feature blocks, like width. Set this is going to be 45 percentage and refresh. Is it adjusted? Okay, but the problem is with the image, Andy. This is okay. Image. Where is the image? F image. Width. What is the width of the image? 100%. Oh, nice. Image is adjusting. Image is not making mess. See, earlier you got in this resolution. Earlier you got horizontal scroll bar. Now I'm not getting any horizontal scroll bar. Okay, come to the mobile to top. In this point, what I want to need, image should be top, all icons should be one by one. Okay, let's go there. So go to the media queries. Go to the media queries. In the resolution dot FE8 your features. Flex direction what column, and these icons also should be column A, one by one. I don't want like this. How do I make them? What is the class for it? What is the class for it? Class for it? Class for it? Features info na? Idena? Features block? Features block I believe. Okay. So you have to be very careful while writing in the media queries. Dot features block. They're all coming like okay. This is looks good. Better to have some gap between that icon and icon. Dot features info na info adding 15 pixels 0 pixel. Yeah, you have some decent gap between earlier. They all look like attached together, right? Wow, finally it looks nice to see. In this resolution again I need same Andy. That resolution also I need the same thing. I don't want to change anything here also. Yeah, this is the resolution. Just write the same media query here also. Right here also same thing in the tablet screen, the small mobile, bigger mobile. It should be like this up to yeah. In this resolution, what shall we do? Okay, this looks good. This is not looks good at all, right? What shall we do? The next resolution. The next resolution 768. Already we have 768 here. Next resolution is going to be 769, guys. 769 to 920. So here flex direction column only, but this is going to be row only, and this is going to be fine. Let me check this now. In this resolution, what is going to be happen? Yeah, like this I'm expecting. Bottom 2 in small device, bottom 1, bottom 2, bottom 1, bottom 2. So up to oh here 990 above it, 990 above screen. How it will look like here? Let us make one item per row. One item per row. Right. So how do I make this? This is a resolution 921 above. Flex direction column. Hey, what is happening, man? Here, everything went off. I believe something went wrong. What is wrong? Sorry, anything missed? Let us roll back. Okay. Features block, na? Hey, this is two features block column. Features block column or features info kadappa? Info, right? Features info column, right? Oh, features block column ante it is like this. In this point, I need one by one only. I don't like two by two. Features info column, they are coming like this. 1 minute, please. Let us go to the structure. This is features info, and this is the features block. If I read features block column, what is the problem? I didn't understand. not looks good. Just info column only. But I don't want these items are like this. And what shall we do? One item is required now. two items are not required in this. Only one item required. Ela cheddam? How do I do? For every futures block, let me add a separate class for this otherwise. I'm adding separate class information. I will write information only in this resolution. Let me see what is going to be happening. Why this is not coming column? I didn't understand. This is fine. 920 above, right? Actually, I'm looking everything in column. Okay, this is not column. Fine. Dot information only column. Something went wrong. Am I doing any mistake? I don't know. Hmm. This is fine. Make 20. Make 18. Make 16. Okay, this is I'm expecting actually. To ila ravali in this relation. In this resolution, it should be like this. After that, it should be 2 byte. This is generally expecting. Okay, anyhow. So we check this carefully. So this is how the information are getting works like this. Ekkada kuda there should no horizontal scroll bar. There should no horizontal scroll bar at the end of the day. That's what. How you will write a media query, whatever the media queries you're writing, it's not a matter. It should be like this. Okay. Right. Okay now? Chill. So next one, finally, I'm not making very nice footer, very simple footer I want to make. I'm not making any thing. Ampersand COPY semicolon 2022. Ampersand, yeah, 2024. All right, Richard. And the footer styles dot footer text align center hash footer background color. Okay, so some padding. 20 pixels, 0 pixels. It's the footer now. Color should be white text. Simply I'm making like this only. You better to make a very good footer. If you want to make a footer, if you have time, you will do it, but I will do later. Like this, you see, this website has a footer maybe. How this website footer will look like. Yeah, this is a footer. I did very simple footer, right? And these people are having a footer like this. You see, I will show you one more footer will be like this. You see the footer? How simple footer is this is? Footer of the web. Able to see the footer of the web? అనిపిస్తుందా లేదా? అందుకే ముందరకు వచ్చేవాలి రాగానే. Right. So you see, in this footer there are 4 sections: section 1, section 2, section 3. And different websites will follow different footers. We cannot say everybody will follow the same footer. So these people are following very simple footer. Some people may follow a footer like this. Inka meeru, if you can go for Amazon, Amazon footer చూడండి. How Amazon footer back to top, get to know us, connect with us. See, there are 4 levels of footer is there. Everything is footer, 4 levels. Back to top is 1 level, get to know us is 1 level. Earlier we have some countries, Australia, Brazil, Canada is 1 level of footer. Next, ad books, Amazon website is 1 level of footer. There are 4 levels of footer is there. You see different websites, they will follow different types of footers. You go to Flipkart, very big footer. All the site links they will add in the footer, and they will add into the footer. Maximum of the site links they will be into the footer. You guys needs to check it. Okay, right. So Meeru, if you are interested, create a footer like that. If we have time, tomorrow I will create the footer. Actually, tomorrow agenda is what? We have to create inner pages. If I click about, go to about page, click courses page, careers page. I will tell you 2 pages design. Remaining you can finish. I will tell you one registration form, one form design. Of that, one about page design or careers page design. One thing we will discuss. Of that remaining pages, you can do your own designs. Okay, na? Right. So let's meet on tomorrow. Right. చెప్పండి.
UX అన్నారు కదా.